Welcome to the World Drone Market Channel. Today we bring you the Skydroid G20 and CUAV5 Nano flight test video. Skydroid G20 Remote Controller is equipped with Qualcomm's latest 6nm processor and the Android 13 system, which can easily perform hardware decoding on H.264, H.265 and 4K video streams, and can run all kinds of ground station software smoothly. CUAV5 Nano Flight Controller is an autopilot designed by the CUAV and PX4 teams for businesses or enthusiasts who are extremely sensitive to space but want to get the power of V5. Its design is based on the Pixhawk FMUv5 standard and is perfectly compatible with PX4 and ArduPilot firmware. The products used in this test are CUAV5 Nano Flight Controller, Skydroid G20 Remote Controller, 450 frame, CUAV Neo3 Pro. V5 Nano is a smart controller jointly designed by CUAV and the PX4 team for enterprises or enthusiasts who are extremely sensitive to space but still want the powerful functionality of the V5. It is based on the Pixhawk FMUv5 design standard and is perfectly compatible with PX4 and ArduPilot firmware. The V5 Nano is smaller in design compared to the V5, but its performance is not affected at all. Pre-flight preparation. Check the motor direction before flight. Do not install the propellers yet. Take the manual mode as an example. Push the sticks to the inner bottom corners to unlock the drone. After the motors start, check if the motor directions are correct. If so, then install the propellers. Even with aggressive rudder inputs, the drone remains very stable and the airframe maintains excellent balance. G20 Remote Controller adopts a brand new Qualcomm 6nm 8-core processor and comes with the Android 13 embedded system. The operation is smooth, the ecosystem is open, and it supports the installation of most apps on the market. It uses a new high-power, high-bandwidth 2.45.8G dual-band wireless module, supports automatic frequency hopping and MCS autonomous dynamic adjustment, and offers up to 30 kilometers of video and data transmission range. Responsiveness. The Skydroid G20 joystick is highly responsive, accurately capturing control inputs for fine and precise flight maneuvers. Smoothness. The control process is smooth and fluid, with no noticeable delay or lag, offering an excellent flight experience. Joystick feedback and handling. The G20 joystick offers strong spring back and moderate resistance, providing a solid tactile feel that doesn't cause fatigue over long sessions. The button layout is ergonomic, with commonly used functions accessible with a single press. Mode switching is quick and maintains stable control, significantly improving operational efficiency. The Skydroid G20 paired with the CUAV5 Nano performs excellently in flight tests, combining the stability of the flight controller with the responsiveness of the remote controller. With the Neo 3 Pro GPS on board, the drone is able to return precisely to the takeoff point. That concludes our flight test video of the Skydroid G20 and Skydroid S2. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions about the video content or would like us to explore any parts in more detail in the future, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.